Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 17 beta 1, 2 and 3. Beta 3 is not available right now. It could be possible and availability on 5 or 6 July. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 17 beta 3. If you have an iOS 17 supported device, then launch settings, tap on general and tap software update, and under software update you will get an option iOS 17 beta 3 already appear here. But if you are not enrolled in iOS 17 beta program, then what we have to do, we have to launch the Safari browser and search for developer.apple.com. To use any other browser, it's not working. So when the website is launched, then we have to tap on iOS 17. Here we have to enroll our iOS device with your Apple ID and password. Then we are going to tap on the download button in top right corner. I already enrolled my Apple ID here, so that's why it's not showing to enter Apple ID and the password. Now tap on the download. Here we go, the operating systems: iOS 16.6 beta 4, 16.6 beta for iPad. We have to scroll. Here we go, iOS 17 beta 2 and iPad 17 beta 2. Here you can see enable developer mode in setting. When we tap on the developer mode, here we just follow the instructions that how we can download and install the iOS 17 beta 2 or beta 3. Now I am sure you all know how to get iOS 17 beta 2 or beta 3 in your iOS device if your iOS device is supported to iOS 17. And that's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.